Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a new episode of Double M Stunts. Now, every single day when I go out, I see so many guys making the worst fashion mistakes ever. And it's the most simple ones that you wouldn't even realize. And I'm pretty sure this is mistakes that you guys even do, because I mean, I'm also guilty of making some of them as well before I started the fashion blog. So in this episode, I'm going to give you guys 5 mistakes that every guy makes when it comes to dressing up, and I will also give you guys the solutions on how to fix these. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. The first mistake that everybody makes when they're wearing, let's say, caps, shoes, or even let's say they buy a new jacket, or like a suit jacket as an example, most people like to keep on the labels or the tags. And as much as you want to show off that you're wearing a certain brand or a nice shoe, it makes your outfit look so tacky, and to be very honest guys, it just throws your outfit off and it just makes you look like a show off, let's be honest. So the first mistake that you can fix is to remove every label that you have on your clothing. Even when it comes to suits, if you wear a nice suit and if you have, like, let's say the tag on your suit and you want to say, cool, I want to keep it because I want to show everybody it's, let's say, a Giorgio Armani suit, you don't really need that. Just take the suit, just take the tag off, because that's the thing about style. You need to be confident in what you're wearing. You don't need the whole world to know what you're wearing. You just need to look your absolute best, and that's one thing that we strive for on the channel. The second mistake that every guy makes when they're going out, when it comes to their outfits, is having big, bulging wallets. Now guys, we are already in the 21st century. There's no need for you all to have like wads and wads of cash in your wallets. That's why we have cards. Have a nice, sleek, slim designed wallet that will make that you can keep all of your belongings with you and also keep your outfit on point. Because guys, also remember, if you guys have a huge bulge in your pocket, it does not look good. It actually just throws the whole outfit off completely. You can have the most expensive suit with the most expensive watch, the expensive shoes, hell, even the most expensive shades. But the minute there's a bulge in your left pocket or right pocket, it already kills the vibe, kills the aesthetic, it kills the whole outfit in general, because you want to have a slim, clean look. And having a big bulging wallet is not going to help that at all. The third mistake that every guy also makes is wearing your sunglasses on your forehead. Now guys, yes, I know you want to have your sunglasses on your forehead because it's easy to access if you're going out. If you just want to flip them over and then flip them down to use. But guys, let's say if you're one of those guys who has a huge forehead, and if you happen to put those sunglasses up here, trust me guys, you don't even look good to start off with. You look very tacky and it just doesn't look right. And also, it's also poor wear and tear on your sunglasses or even glasses in general, because the frames will actually sort of like, it'll get too stretched out on your head to the point that even when you put the sunglasses back on, it actually starts to fall off your face. So guys, important tip, don't you ever put your sunglasses on your forehead or rest them on your forehead. Just take them off, rest them just below your shirt or even on the shirt over here, and guys, it still makes your outfit look really good. The fourth mistake that guys are making, especially in the summer season, is wearing ankle socks. Now guys, look, I know it's summer, it's hot, and you want to wear your shorts or chinos, and you don't want to, like, you know, wear your shoes bare feet, because I mean, come on guys, the minute we take our shoes off, it leaves a disgusting smell. So I know you guys do like to wear ankle socks, but guys, please bear in mind that when you wear ankle socks, your socks actually still show through over the shoe, and guys, that is not a good look. It is really tacky, it does not look even aesthetically pleasing, and it just kills off the vibe. So what you can do is either get secret socks that are very concealable, or even guys, just, you know, that's it, just wear secret socks, because at the end of the day, you want to show off your legs, you want to show off, you know, what you've got in terms of like your shoes, your chinos, and wearing secret socks will at least help elevate your look. And lastly guys, the fifth mistake that I keep seeing in most men, including celebrities, is wearing too many accessories for the wrong kinds of outfits. Now guys, wearing accessories is cool. Trust me, I'm starting to do it a lot now. I wear watches, necklaces, and I can explore and experiment with different types of, I would say, designs with a casual outfit. However, when it comes to a suit, please guys, do not do the following. Do not wear rings, and do not wear necklaces, and do not wear anything that's like too flashy that belongs on a casual outfit and then merge it with a suit, because guys, that does not work. It is 100% fashion illegal. Because guys, a suit is a gentleman's coat of armor. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Because when you're wearing a suit, it defines more of your elegant and classy side. So you don't want to go ruin that with a necklace or rings. I mean, you can wear a ring if you're married, of course. But I mean, if you want to wear like 5 other rings on your fingers, then guys, that is not cool. It literally kills off your look. So the only accessory that you should wear, or actually the only 2 accessories you should be wearing on your suit, is a watch, and if you're wearing a tie clip. That is it. If you want to wear something else or try and experiment with different kinds of metals and everything, guys, your outfit is going to be completely trash. So to avoid that, and to avoid looking tacky, and to become more elegantly looked, and to have like the most outstanding outfit, keep it simple. And that concludes the end of the video, guys. I've given you guys everything you need to do to avoid these 5 mistakes that even I made when I was first starting in fashion. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you did, please smash the like button, subscribe to Double M Styles for more fashion related content. Please follow me on Instagram. I will leave my details below, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.